Embracing the outdoors, a day out in nature. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the beautiful phrase, day out in nature. It's a simple yet profound expression that connects deeply with our need to break free from the daily hustle and reconnect with the earth. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just beginning your journey, this video is tailored to help you grasp the essence of this picturesque phrase. At first glance, day out in nature may seem straightforward, but it's rich in imagery and sentiment. It's not just about the time spent. It's about the experience and the emotional rejuvenation that comes with it. When we say someone is having a day out in nature, we're picturing them stepping away from their routine to immerse themselves in natural beauty. This could mean hiking in the mountains, picnicking in a park, or just sitting by a lakeside, absorbing the tranquility. Let's break it down. Day out. This part implies a departure from one's usual environment or routine. It signifies a break or a special occasion, not just in terms of time but in terms of experience. In nature, this is where the essence of the phrase lies. Nature can be a quiet countryside, a lush forest, a serene beach, or any space where the natural world dominates. It's about disconnecting from the man-made and reconnecting with the natural. In our modern, fast-paced world, a day out in nature is more than a leisure activity. It's a necessity for mental and emotional well-being. It's a chance to recharge. Nature has a way of replenishing our energy and soothing our minds. Reflect. Away from the noise, we can hear our thoughts more clearly. Reconnect. It's an opportunity to strengthen bonds with loved ones or to find solitude and self-connection. Planning a day out in nature? Here are some tips to ensure it's a rejuvenating experience. Disconnect to connect. Leave your gadgets behind, or use them sparingly. Let your senses guide you. Be present. Absorb the sights, sounds, and smells. Nature's beauty is in the details. Respect the environment. Leave no trace. Cherish and preserve the natural beauty for others to enjoy. A day out in nature is more than just a phrase. It's a gateway to rediscovering the joys of simplicity and the profound peace that nature offers. We hope this video inspires you to plan your own day out in nature and experience the magic firsthand. Remember, every day is a good day to connect with the natural world. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.